Best places to visit in Al Hafuf, Saudi Arabia are Al Qarah Mountain, Jabal Al Qarah, a stunning natural rock formation with cool caves. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Al Ahsa Oasis, it is one of the largest oases and home to millions of date palms. It is great for scenic walks and exploring traditional farming villages. Ibrahim Palace, Qasr Ibrahim, a historic Ottoman era fort built in the 16th century. It features a mosque, watchtowers, and beautiful courtyards. Jawatha Mosque, one of the oldest mosques in the region dating back to the 7th century. Al Ahsa National Park, a family friendly destination with playgrounds and picnic spots. Yellow Lake, Al Asfar Lake, a hidden gem near Al Hafuf. It offers beautiful scenery and popular place for bird watching and nature photography. Dougha Handmade Pottery Factory. Explore traditional pottery making techniques. Visitors can also purchase unique handmade items. Al Ahsa Springs. The region is known for its numerous natural springs with varying temperatures and high concentration of minerals. King Abdullah Environmental Park, a large place with a zoo, amusement park, a lake for boating and kayaking, as well as a dancing fountain. Sahoud Fortress, it is one of the well known historical forts in Hofuf. Al Hafuf Souq, Qaisariah Souq, a traditional marketplace offering spices, perfumes, clothes, antiques, and handmade goods. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.